Hey guys, we are back with another video. This is just going to be a short little video. We're here, got an NVMe SSD from Patriot. And this is a very budget-friendly NVMe. It was about $40 on Amazon.ca. I'll have a link in the description below. And the read speeds, which is the main reason why I bought this, was, as you can see over here, 1,700 megabytes per second. I forgot the write speed on this, but I'm sure it should be written somewhere around the package. But if it's not, you guys could just click the link in the description below, and I'm sure you will find it. Yeah, and so this is very budget friendly. The packaging looks very nice, and yeah, we're just gonna open it up. I'm gonna cut from these. I'm not sure if I should cut this or I should tear it apart. I'll try opening it I'll cut it open. Yeah, so I'll just go through the bottom. I actually really do like the casing or the packaging on this. The colors really look nice, including the bottom piece, which I've just cut off. It's very beautiful, especially for how much it costs. I thought it'd be showing up in some plastic bag, you know, with some static proof covering or something like that. But yeah, so it's over here in this little plastic casing, and there it is. Not sure if you're supposed to remove this. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it on for now. But yeah, that's about it. I will be doing a memory upgrade video on my computer. That will be coming soon. But it's pretty rainy right now. I also want to clean up my computer. There's a lot of dust that's built up. So yeah, first want to get that out of the way. Yeah, anyways, that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.